So I'm on the Charlie Bixler place, what used to be known as the Charlie Bixler place. We found another water cooling trough. This is a windmill. The well must have been, here's a post for the windmill. The well must be down in there somewhere. There's a part of the wheel, but the head and the vane are out that way, so the windmill fell over. There's a cylinder that would have been at the bottom of the well pumping water, and water probably would have went into this milk house or water cooling trough room right there, and would have run into this tank, to this concrete tank right in there. The top tank on this well house has fell in to the main building, and so it makes it a little hard to see, but here comes the pipe out of that cooling trough and into a little cement tank over here. So this is cooling trough number 7, I think. Cooling trough number 7 on the Charlie Bixler place. You can see the cooling trough just a little better through a window right here. There's the cooling trough inside there. So cooling trough number 7. Great.